just go to the description in this video, and there you're gonna see open a ShakePay account to buy and sell Bitcoin, and you're gonna receive $30. So if you open an account using this link here, you and I will both gonna get $30. But if you do not go through this link, you are not gonna get the $30. Neither am I gonna get the $30. So now let's get started. So you click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this page, which is literally the same page that we were just on before. But here you see you have been referred. Sign up and get $30. So this is where you're going to put your phone number, and ShakePay is going to send you a text that you're going to use to download. So come along with me and we're going to go into the app right now. Just remember, you have to download the app. Remember, the first thing that we did, you provided your cell phone number and it sent you the text message for you to download it, right? Yes, so now let's click on that app. Let's download it. And once you download it, open it, you're going to log in. So you're going to log in with your username, with your password, all of those fun stuff. So let me show you how it's going to log in to after you've downloaded ShakePay. After you downloaded it, then you click on it. You see it's still showing the balance that we have. Remember that we bought Bitcoin before, we bought Ethereum, and our balance before was $60, right? Now again, if you just want to send funds, or no, if you want to add funds the same way that we did on the desktop, same thing, you just click on interact. It's going to show you all the information, that is it's going to show you the email, it's going to show you the security question and also the answer. Make sure again that you put in the right email. You can just copy it. Once you can just copy it, it's going to show you that it's copied. The same thing with the username and the security question and also the answer. Just copy it and paste it into your bank, like the way that you usually send your interact. And once that is done, as we did before, it's gonna just show the balance. So now let's try to buy some cryptocurrency again. Here it's going to be just the same way. You're gonna come to this arrow down here, you're gonna click on it, say buy and sell instant, you just click on it. So again, you're just gonna say how much do you want to buy. Do you want to buy you have $60? Yes, you can see $60 here. Do we want to buy the maximum? We just put it, okay, we want maximum. You see the way it just changed it to $60 for us. The same thing if we wanted to buy Ethereum, right? We'll just change it. You click on here, you see, click here, you click Ethereum, the same thing, just do maximum. You see, it's very, very easy. So now I'm just going to show you the example of how you're going to buy Bitcoin. It's the same way, Bitcoin or Ethereum, you just choose. So here we want to buy maximum, then next thing, you just click buy. And it says confirm. You're just going to click on the confirm button, confirm. Yay! You just bought Bitcoin. It's that, right? So let's close out of this. Close. So just shows you that you have $0 Canadian now, but you bought Bitcoin and also Ethereum. And that's it. It's so easy to buy and and just sell. If you wanted to sell to the same thing, you just come here. You click on this particular one. Here you want to sell, right? You're gonna say I want to sell Bitcoin, right? If you just do that and you say you want to sell the maximum that you have, and it's going to tell you, okay, this is how much it's going to be, right? If you wanted to do Ethereum instead, you select Ethereum. Again, if you do maximum, it's going to show you, okay, this is how much that you're going to sell it for, and you just click on sell, and immediately the amount is going to be deposited into your Canadian account on ShakePay. It's very easy to use this. I find it very simple, especially if you're new to investing in cryptocurrency. It's very so hey, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, and don't forget to like. I really appreciate the support, and until then, I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.